Bill, can you sit up so I can see the lighting?
No. Can you charge your phone?
You ready to do it?
Of course I'm ready.
Hi everyone, today I'm with my brother. Say your name.
Dylan.
How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
And he's going to be doing my makeup today. And do you know how to use makeup?
Nope.
Let's get started. So I got all of my makeup products here and my brushes, and I'm just going to let him use whatever he wants. Go ahead, what's the first thing you want to put on my face?
I want to put this makeup thingy. Can you help me open it? And then I'll use this brush. I'm going to put rocker on her face.
Do you know what that is?
No.
Want me to explain it to you?
No thanks.
Okay.
I'm gonna use this kind of makeup. I'm gonna put it on her forehead.
I like it. That's how I use my makeup too, Dylan.
I'm gonna put it on her lips because it has a lip, and I think it's saying like put it on her lips. And then I'm gonna put it on her nose.
I thought you were going to put that on my lips though.
Whoopsie daisy.
Do you put powder on your lips too? I really like this look. It's very natural, glowy look.
It's the Mario Bades Goo. I do not know what this is. Close your eyes.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, you okay?
Does only one spot of my skin get skincare?
Now I'm gonna use this kind of makeup. It's called Get the Pretty Started. I'm gonna use this kind of brush. I'm gonna use one of these 3 colors.
Which one?
Wax Up. I use this kind of brush for this kind of makeup. Now I'm gonna use this makeup called Bobby Brown.
Yeah, it's lipstick.
And I need a lot because if I put a little bit, then it won't show. Okay, this one again. I'm gonna use this kind of brush.
That's a lot. Are you looking for clues where to put it?
Yeah. And I'm gonna put it on chin.
Why do you think it goes on the chin?
I just think so.
I think at this point, purposely just trying to make me look ugly now.
Nice beard. No, it doesn't look like a beard. It just looks like a little circle. I'm gonna use this kind of makeup.
I can't look at the reflection and like not laugh.
And I'm gonna use all of them.
My makeup's gonna be rude. Okay, no, stop.
Okay.
Am I pretty yet? Has my makeup look done yet?
Nope.
What else do you want to put on me?
Let's see. I wanna put on this kind of makeup.
What is
And
it?
it's called Smashbox. Foundation, primer. Just one eyebrow. Now you know what? It's called Gookie Blue. And I'm gonna put
Smell it.
on her cheeks to cover up right here.
My Gucky Bloom! There's like black on it now. Okay, cap that up. We're not using that anymore.
This is not turning out the way I want it.
Alright, so are you done with the look?
I'll use this pen. It's called Marc Jacob.
I don't even want to see how we look right now. Okay, so is that the last thing?
No, there's just one more thing I want to put.
Mascara.
Mascara.
Okay. Where?
I'm gonna put it on
Where do you think it goes?
eyelashes to curl them up.
Be super careful.
You know what? I'm just gonna put it on your eyelash. Be safe.
I have no idea how I look right now. They look like caterpillars. I don't even want to post this on the internet anymore. I was gonna be like, okay, maybe like mess up the lipstick a little bit.
Here.
Oh my gosh! Dylan! I really like what you do with my eyebrows. I didn't have eyebrows before, but apparently now I do. I like it.
Thanks. That looks like you're gonna be a man though.
Alright, so I'm gonna go wash it off.
Go! I'm gonna be waiting for you here.
I just finished watching my face with a lot of cleanser. And the mascara just wasn't coming off, so I'm gonna have to deal with that later. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe. Bye, I'll see you guys next time.
Bye!